About to get underway here between Fort Lauderdale and Tormenta. Fort Lauderdale in the white kits with the black shorts. Tormenta. Ferry. Valencia. Sosa. Diagonal ball. Onside. Chance here for Fort Lauderdale. And that one sent to the left corner. Edison Ascona with the goal for Fort Lauderdale. Vinyals crosses midfield, lost one forward. Meyer plays it wide. Micheletto looking to line things up. Vinyals, and that one tapped back by Castanera. That could possibly be your save of the week. A look at this replay by Islands. Great ball. Castanera able to go up and get that. Muller goes back. Obenwa loses possession. Fort Lauderdale looking to turn with numbers. Lopez Espin. And that one kicked way high into the sky. Great job there by Hara with the kick save. Jamga now dropping a little bit further back. Lopez Espin trying to go over the top, and that one finds the back. He plays it over Hara. What a goal there by Lopez Espin. Had Hara off his line and puts it in the back for the second goal, and a little bit of breathing room for Fort Lauderdale. Midfield goes over Hara. Hara can just watch that one go in. The service. That one finds the left corner, and Tormenta has found the first goal of the night as they cut the lead to within one. Run back and get this kick going. Mikey Rowe played down. And Fort Lauderdale CF will have their first victory in club history with a 2-1 win.